friends, today we will learn ABCD word making with my little brother before. Let's start. A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
giraffe,
H for
hen,
I for
igloo,
J for
jug,
K for
kite,
L for
lion,
M for
monkey,
N for
net,
O for
orange,
P for
bird,
Q for
queen,
R for
rat,
S for
sun,
T for
dog,
U
tiger,
for
umbrella,
V for
violin,
W for
watch,
X for
X-ray,
Y for
yo-yo,
Z for
zebra.
Hope you friends enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe this video and don't forget to leave a like on this video. Bye bye.